From fabric preparation to final packaging, let's take a closer look at the complete production process of our large-size brass. First, the fabric is carefully inspected to make sure there are no defects. Then it goes through the pre-shrinking process to ensure better size stability. Next, the fabric is arranged according to the production layout, helping improve material utilization and prepare for accurate cutting. After the layout is completed, the fabric is cut into different pattern pieces with precision. The cup pieces are then pressed and shaped. Through heat pressing, the cups gain a smooth and stable 3D form. Now comes the sewing process. Skilled workers sew each part together to form the main structure of the bra. Reinforcement stitching is added to key stress points, making the bra stronger and more durable. After sewing, the care label and brand label are attached, giving the product a clean and professional finish. Every finished bra goes through strict quality inspection, including stitching, size, shape, elasticity, and appearance. Qualified products are then neatly folded and packed, ready for shipment to customers around the world. Finally, the packed brass are stored in the warehouse, waiting for delivery. This is how we produce comfortable, supportive, and high-quality large-size brass.